Thanks for joining. Today we're going to be making some seitan. You're going to need 1 cup of wheat gluten and then 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, as well as 1 cup of water. 1 tablespoon of liquid amino or soy sauce. So if you're not familiar with seitan, it's also considered fake meat or vegan meat. It's mainly made from wheat protein. Please knead the dough for about 3 minutes. When you're ready, please preset the oven at 350 degrees. Cook the dough for 30 minutes in the oven. This is what it will look like after 30 minutes. So please flip the dough, and we're going to cook the other side for another 30 minutes. Enjoy the seitan. You can saute it with veggies or use it inside any types of soup. It's very versatile, so enjoy your meal. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.